Hello YouTube, this was made with Hailuo AI, a leading video generator tool as you can see here, with powerful features like video generator or image generator. Hailuo AI released a new model 02. Let's go in. So first you go on hailuoai.video. Here you have an overview about the tool. If you scroll down here you see some community results which are amazing. The most important before you start, read the documentation about Hailuo AI and how the prompt should be structured. Click on the icon here. Here you have a full overview about Hailuo AI and how the prompt should be structured. Just click on Hailuo AI text to video tutorial, and here you have some examples how the prompt should be structured, like it should be a main subject, a scene and a motion for a basic prompt. And if you want to make more advanced precise prompts, just scroll down a bit, and here you see some additional prompts you can use, like a camera movement or a static atmosphere. So read it before you start. Back at the home screen on the left you have the different features like the video and the image. In this video we'll focus on the video feature because Hailuo AI released a new model, so just click on it. Here you are at the interface of creating videos. You can use image to video or text to video. You can use these two features with the new model Hailuo 02. So first you insert an image here for the image to video feature, and on the bottom here you can use a prompt, or you can use predefined camera controls on the bottom here. Just click on it, and here you have some templates of the camera movements, like the freedom here, very nice, or the fast upward tilt. For this one we use the freedom. Make sure you selected the Hailuo 02 model for the best effect and ultra clear quality. Here we can choose the resolution of the output. Let's choose the 6 seconds. You can also generate multiple videos at once. We're fine with it and we just hit generate here. And it's already finished. The generation was very fast, under a minute. Let's look at it. Very nice. Let's try it again with a custom camera movement. The camera should follow the animals while they sprinting through the snow. We hit generate again and again. High quality, no deformation, just awesome. Nice. Now we try the text to video feature. So I prepared a prompt of a sports car drifting through a desert, which are followed by some other cars. The right icon here is already activated. It enhances your generation quality and will automatically refine your prompt for better output. If you don't know what you should prompt, here are some examples you can choose. There are tons of prompts you can use. Very nice. For this one we just hit generate. This is just amazing. It's high quality, no deformation, and keep in mind that's a text to video feature. We didn't use an image for it and he just done it so well. Awesome. Here are some more examples of Hailuo AI. Just watch it and enjoy it. So with Hailuo AI you can produce excellent food videos or some extreme close-up videos of some animals. Blockbuster quality natural videos, freaky stuff like an astronaut walking on the Mars, also videos with many people on the background, no deformation, still high quality, also some videos with forces like hammering, no problem, some CGI stuff like avatar glowing mushrooms, or Minority Report things like this one. Nice! To the pricing of Hailuo AI you have different options to choose from. You have the monthly subscriptions or quarterly yearly where you have a discount. You get 500 free credits for new users. You have a higher credit volume compared to others like VU Free at the same tiers. You can click the exclusive link in the description to try it out by yourself. Awesome! As usual, if you liked Hailuo AI, just try it. See you in the next one!